Hey guys, today I'm going to show you Jimmy. So yeah, if you're wondering who Jimmy is, he is loud. He's not a person, and I'm at my friend's house. So. Jimmy, get down here. Jimmy, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy. Jimmy, come here. Oh, he's just being loud. That's what he's doing. That's Jimmy. Come here, Jimmy. Jimmy. Here he comes. There he is. Hi, Jimmy. Hi, Jimmy. He likes to bite me. He tries to bite me.
He can't even bite you because you don't know grabs.
Yeah, he's crazy. He looks like a kiwi. Why are you so loud? You're very loud, Jimmy.
I don't know if Dwight's doing trying to lick me. Dwight's trying to lick me right now.
I don't know what he's doing. It's very cute. Alright, yeah, that's Jimmy. I'm at my friend's grandpa's house.
Yeah, my grandpa's house.
Yeah. Hey, Mr. Beast, if you're watching this, I found your biggest fan. Turn around.
Yeah, but I'm Mr. Beast's biggest fan.
Yeah, one of them.
Because I'm wearing his sweater right now. His sweater, yeah, I'm wearing his sweater.
Oh! Yeah, man, he's got this thing. It don't work.
Yeah, my PlayStation.
Oh, it does.
My PlayStation 4 does work, but it just missing. You're probably messing up with something. I don't know.
It does work.
It works though, but it's messing up a
Being
little
crap,
bit.
that's what it is. It's about to blow up or something.
Well, I hope it does blow up.
It'd be funny if it did. Jimmy. Hello, Jimmy. Look at him. He looks mad. Come here, Jimmy.
That's very good.
Very loud. This is Michael's computer. It's a gateway. Jimmy, be quiet.
Come on, Minecraft mask on, we need to go.
Jimmy don't like me.
Because we might go to the store too.
Jimmy. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm going to end it. And always stay cool.